guys. Hello people. The actual police officer working with Mama Mohbad finally exposed, guys. The police officer working with Mama Mohbad exposed. Watch this video, like and subscribe to the channel.
This man was so close to getting down on me. But this man will be asking us, give me what to tell him. I realized the particular strategy was really working on. We don't know what was going on. But we had described it simply. To take over the case and push the silence out. The presidency of the electoral chamber of the Lord died. Criminals can only one shit up and only one present to weak stuff. You might be how they cut and already. All the suspects only one call chance of my she must get out of that case. I have to drop because you keep putting my name and adding reputation on the line. It's my own with you. I want to ask him. He did not answer. Are you sick? Are you normal? When he calls up, you have mentioned it. Okay, maybe you won't do before. Maybe you will promise me to deliver justice for one Nigeria. You have a problem with the same person. Now you can down come. Just our boys count. We can down come. So it's calling me city. I asked them this. I said, why did they arrest them? Why did they not arrest this one? Why is it not giving credit? This is a sickness. Hello, check around you. Where are you going to talk? This is a case that is about to threaten national security. This Superjoke, I put it into her, she lacks integrity and she has no place in the Nigerian police force. And we're going to be going to court and I will fight it to the end. We are going to go to court. I'm going to go to court. I'm going to sue the IG on what this woman did. I'm going to sue the Nigerian police force. The IG will have to explain. So I got a lot of people who are come and they will tell us. The police officer will have to tell us, why are you now collecting money from 2, 3, mobilizing? What's all this nonsense? So, do I get out of it? So, see, NGO to a shepherd will have to spend it. And to shepherd another NGO has to spend it. That is divide and rule. That is not just only criminal, it is greed and it's a serious financial crime. You have to explain the rationale. The one by the law in our own case. In my own petition, case petition, the one of Baba will make. Caution, why hope doing? Come on, shall I now? And this police officer must pay. She needs to get out of it. Don't have person call your phone robber. She doesn't deserve, she has no place in the police force again. With somebody like this, she can sell anybody out. No integrity whatsoever. This Superjoke, I put it into her, she lacks integrity and she has no place in the Nigerian police force. And we're going to be going to court and I will fight it to the end. In my own investigation case now, I was anybody miss or sit down. Come and place arrest, you choose not to come and place arrest. And then you went behind. The one in the back group of people called Timmy Omori, Timmy Omori. The one you come and arrest the person. Anything you could go on need him. Show them the one baby, and when you have also the social media, and they are making the best of my integrity, my hard-earned reputation. Why would anybody want to subject me to that? The one found some non-entity that you don't even know who the pedigree, you don't know who they are.
Establish the next thing he wants to do. When you're dealing with the public case, you go through petition. It's always petition. Petition means writing a formal letter to the police, telling them to address
what?
Writing a formal letter to the police, telling them to address a particular concern. You see, when the method is wrong, you can tell that the answer is wrong. That is how you detect criminals and scammers easily. The first thing And you need Nigerian police to get justice. Susie, do you know so or not? Susie shout from now to tomorrow. You still have to go through that corrupt Nigerian police. Knowing very well you are going through those police, why are you giving assurance? Why are you making it look like there's going to be magic anywhere? You must go through Nigerian police to get justice from Mohbad. And the head of the Nigerian police is a Yoruba man. And the president is a Yoruba man. The head of the DIG, na Yoruba. The IG, na Yoruba. For Lagos, yeah, na Yoruba. Common sense says it all. For Abuja, where they go there, na Yoruba they go me too. If they come Lagos, then na Yoruba they come for Lagos here. So if you don't have faith in these people already, you don't believe in them, why are you stressing yourself and stressing people? Why? Just because when I just want to taste this national cake, when I go just use different formula, just push everything together. The first thing for Barrister Michael to do as we speak is not even one conference. What did I say? It's not one conference. Yomi did not just come. I am tired doing what conference. No, we are the one that called for that because that was necessary. It is after you reach out to the police to even find out what is going on. Has Barrister Michael reached out to the police about the Mohbad case and know what is going on? And put it out there now. This will further ginger us. If Barrister Michael has written to the Nigerian police a petition and they have done nothing, put it out there, let us see it. The petition that police is doing nothing about. And let us, because we will now know the reason why, yes, we now have to go and do what conference. We will call on the whole world that we are being cheated here. And don't forget, no matter what happens, guys, let's tap on the screen and let us make you guys should give now. I'm going to talk about the lose again. I don't get much time to waste too, because if I did, let me go. I've been losing energy now they put for now. So when I come to speak truth to you guys, I'm putting energy and I take risk from different attacks, different hates. And maybe Babalawo will do this matter, they will not buy me. Not just because I want to try to make sure that on a brain open, I know what's in shop. What can't you guys understand? Can you hear?
Okay.
And yes, what can't you guys understand from everything I have been saying? I said the first thing for Barrister Michael to do as we speak is not one conference. Leave that nonsense. It's not one conference. It's not. It's not. Okay? And neither aristocrat or Susie can stand in front of me and tell me that nonsense. They can't. They know where they go and tell people that nonsense. Not to someone like me, who understands the Nigerian police system and who knows what is obtainable. You guys should, I don't know, how much is even the money they market in Jeton? How much is it they market in Jeton? You see in life, let people from their hearts do something. Be frank and fair to people. Don't try to want to play people to buy just because you are still don't have the understanding. Don't do it. Don't do it. It doesn't carry merits. A lot of you are fighting for justice and you are so unjust. It's not about English. You can understand that, hey, black people are not ready, they don't know, the things, I took my time to get myself soaked into all of these things, to this case. I took my time. You understand? When you see me say some certain things, I just believe that I have to come out and be making noise or whatever. No, I don't. I even make it. See, I don't want to make it look like Babayano. Hey, I'm driving around. No, I enter public bus as if I want to cook waka intentionally, not because I can't be flaunting my card. If I say make I enter the driver, when I go see complain. But I do some certain things. I am somebody that have rights. And I know what I can do. If I should be, for me to even begin to come out to say I want to begin to, I want to be affected in one way. I'm doing my thing. I don't want to provoke anybody, but if they burn anybody well, they can provoke me. Then from there, I will come understand that it's no longer justice for Mohbad. It is now personal justice. And it will be a different ball game at the then. So all this everybody say, Baba, you don't come out, you don't do this. I don't see need to come out because I already know what's up when it comes to this case, this Mohbad case. I know what's up. I am not naive. Just that one, I don't want to come and discourage people who are still trying that, hey, this and that, this situation, don't try, hey, whatever. But I speak to you guys intelligently and respectfully. What can't you understand? Last time when I was telling you, I said, I got the information that the reason why police arrested Spending was because of Yomi Fabi's petition. And I now back that up. I said any moment from now, expect Yomi Fabi to be called or probably arrested. Because the DPP is involved, the Lagos Police Command is involved. Do you understand? And the families of Spending, they believe that they're going to carry on for that. I gotta get a fever. Believe that they're going to carry on for that. Civil case against Yomi. The police in Abuja did not tell them that, did not report to DPP that it is petition of one underground. That's what I'm asking Arifa. Don't forget that Arifa doesn't know what, Arifa doesn't understand the law in the first place. What does Arifa know? Other than take this, go and drop it there, go and take transport, come back. That's what Arifa does now. What is this nonsense? Last time Arifa is talking about what they say, that Yomi Fabi in the voice note. What voice do Arifa contact Abuja and ask them why Spending was arrested if you don't know? All those things that you were doing, you guys were only used by the policewoman. The policewoman, I agree, he used both sides. But at the end of the day, what is documented officially why Spending is arrested is because of Yomi Fabi's petition. And Yomi Fabi's petition is not only about 3 seconds. Open your brain. Yomi Fabi is a smart guy. Since Yomi Fabi has heard everybody talking about petition, everybody in the house, do this. Yomi Fabi has moved beyond 3 seconds video. And that is what is paining him. That you guys are still making everything he's doing about 3 seconds. That's why it's paining. It's gone there, it's past there. And I challenge you, Arifa, and all of your underground G. Can you come and tell public why you arrested Spending? Tell us what petition. In fact, put it out there. She already have destroyed the case. Oh yeah, put your petition out there. I will tell you, if you call on Yomi to bring his own out there, Yomi will put it. For a very long time, we have been telling Yomi, put your petition out there. Underground, I challenge you to bring out your petition. That warrant picking Spending. What was in there? And let the whole world see it. You understand? And Arifa is even here right now. I don't like people manipulating people. Neither can Arifa or the Ondaji authoritatively say it and speak it. That Spending was arrested because of one underground. Spending was officially arrested because of the petition Yomi Fabi wrote. And it's different from the 3 seconds. And part of the petition was the reason. You see, I am one of the biggest critics of Yomi Fabi. Because I want public to be informed about what is what. I don't like this whole thing of that hiding, picking people, kidnapping people, or doing all those things. I don't believe in it. Unless we just want to please people. If you want to please people, I don't have issues with that. But it's not justice. Anybody can choose to make use of Nigerian police if they allow themselves to be an instrument to go after, to be intimidating people. Anybody can take advantage of that. Use the Nigerian police to arrest you for 1 week. After that 1 week that you are arrested, you will not be. Arifa. Paparano, you unblock me. Why? I never blocked you. Why would I block you? Why would I block you? I'm telling you the truth. I was blocked. Not in my live stream. And you don't have a proof of that. So please don't see what doesn't even exist. For what reason? Please stop. No, please stop. Maybe you are muted, don't say block. Mariano. Stop, please, stop. No. Arifa, I don't like that. Arifa, please. Don't tell me. Wait, let me say something. This is Ogunlele. Timba block Arifa, láyé ìbọn nǹkan tí wọ́n kí máa rí. Ṣé o lè fògùn búra? Tí wọ́n bá ti block mi lórí àkáǹtì Papariano, gbogbo tí máa ń wá kí máa rí. You might not be the one. What's camera? Tí n bá block yà kan Arifa, gbogbo tí máa wá láyé mi kí máa rí. Oya what's camera kó fògùn búra. Open your camera. You guys play with everything. Oya gbé ògùn kò fi búra. Bẹ́ẹ̀ èmi mo block àkáǹtì. This is iron. Abi? Only. If I was not blocked on your platform, on this account, what are you talking about? I block you on this account. Bro, you can't be serious. How can I talk to you about it? Bro, see, might not be the one. You get sense like this. You are making me not to trust whatever you say. This my account block you. How you contact the I don't care about you trusting me or not. How you take the where I don't block you? How about you trusting me or not? How you take the where I don't block you? Everybody listen to me. When I was blocked on your platform, how the person will take enter your live stream again? That is a good question. Hold on, that is a good question. I challenge you when I climbed up that. Why did you unblock me? You understand? I'm not the one. What happened? You understand? Now you are telling me you are not the one. No. Maybe you are drunk. You may be drunk. We can't talk about that. No. Don't tell me that, Papariano. No. You may be drunk because you were never blocked. I know. No. Don't even go there. No, that is a fact. Don't even go there. That is a fact. The only thing where you go tell me where I go believe you say, Arifa, I'm not the one. It's as simple as that. Nobody ever blocked you. Yeah, you know the fight now. Listen, if anybody let me tell TikTok work. I know TikTok. If anybody block you, I am the only one who can unblock you. The only one who can unblock you. And I never unblocked you to place of blocking you. What are you saying? Don't tell me that. Mariano, then what happened when they were dragging me on your platform? I was unable to access your life. I have to go and use my wife's account before I can access your life. What happened? What are you saying? Are you sure? When I was being dragged on your platform and sent in a request, I was unable to access your life. What are you telling me? I don't believe that. I need to use my wife's account to come here and listen. So don't anyway, I don't believe that. You were never blocked. If you are blocked, you can't be here. Me, I don't lie. I say things the way they are. Okay, now I want to ask you some few questions. Okay, I want to believe you have been representing under G when it comes to spending arrests now for some time. Okay, please let's be quick. I want to go and bring people here. Let's be quick, okay? So I want to ask a few questions because it seems to know a lot about the underground spending arrest. Now, since Pending was arrested, do you have any official proof why Pending was arrested, or it is what you guys were told, and told by who, if you don't mind? Let me ask you that. Papa? Hello, can you hear me? Don't leave it. I will not. You understand? I will not answer those questions. Why would you answer? When the right time comes. I know the official is. I can bet you any amount, Arifa. I will put 1 million on the line. If the reason why Pending is in Abuja is not your family's petition, if they owe you 500K, I will put 1 million, you 500K with pure evidence. And the evidence, as long as SP Joke, as long as she says it, I win your money. Papariano, you can shout, you can say whatever you have. The evidence you have. Your main petition arrested Pending. The evidence you have with you, it is 100% legit to you. You understand? As long as the time comes, see my evidence. You will see what I got evidence. See what I got evidence. As long as Joke
attack.
All right.
You understand? Let it lively. Let's make it lively.
All right.
So,
okay,
what do you call your own evidence? What do you call your evidence?
Now what I call an evidence is the official statement that is coming out from the IPO in charge of the case. Like in this case now, the
official statement. Hold on.
Let
me get it straight. You said the official statement coming from the IPO. As the IPO released an official statement.
When I say official, I consider whatever any authority in the case says official, not necessarily public. When I say official, I mean fact. Let me use the word fact. I don't necessarily mean like it was come out and make a public statement. I said official or something that is
when you are talking, if I am talking, sometimes you always try to put me through that. If I know, don't use this word. Use this one. You understand?
So I just break it down to you. I just break it down to you what I mean by official statement.
Don't use the word official.
Official statement. Please wait. Official statement. If I say Arifa statement, I mean a statement coming out from Arifa. If I say official statement coming out from a government official on the case, which I have the information.
And the government official has not released any statement. You understand? You might say, okay, what you maybe
you can have it now. Don't tell me. It is personal. It is not public. It is not public. It's not public statement. But what is available right there coming out from a government official? I have it.
What is available right there coming from the
government official, which is the police. Oh. Yes. I have information from her directly, what she said. I have information where Queen herself confessed to that. And what the lawyer
don't let the emotional calm down. Was she able to explain things to you by herself? The police, I mean. Because I want us to indict her more and more. You understand?
I want you to hear from her when she said that the reason why spending was paid, it was due to the petition Yomifabi wrote to them. Once you hear that, I think that should end it. Yes, that should close the issue.
Right. Hold on.
I have an evidence from her directly. Don't tell me that. Let you speak to her. Are you guys not working with her too? Don't you claim you're on that just working with her? Why are you changing now? So Mama Sheba, it's hurting. No, it's very much hurting.
Nothing is changing. You are asking me questions. So am I not entitled to question?
It doesn't help at all.
You are asking me question. Wait, Papariano. If you are asking question, so anybody should not question you.
Ask me any question. Me and this platform is open. Okay, ask me any question. Go on. Ask me any question.
Then why are you taking this personal if I ask a question?
I will answer your questions now if you ask me. Go on.
I'm asking you now, Papariano. I'm asking you. You said the official statement, but you cleared that part. Now you are telling me that haven't I spoke with the police? You understand? I want to be sure of what you're saying. What I want to know is that you spoke directly with the police officer, right?
What I have with me, I have a voice of the police woman. I have a statement of her, which I consider
a voice is quite different from a statement. You understand? A voice.
Are you trying to debate what statement means? Let's go straight to the matter of fact now. Why you stop with statements? Okay, I have an evidence. I have an evidence showing that the Yomifabi petition made spending arrest, not any other petition. Can you debate on that? It is your Yomifabi petition that made spending arrest, not any other thing.
And I am telling you categorically.
Can we bet?
Categorically.
Can we bet any amount if you want? Oh yeah, let us bet.
Why not if you want?
500K. I will put 500K.
Hold on, Papariano. Before you go into betting, hold on. If you later get the proof, You understand? That all these things. I said today that I don't want anything.
Make mention of the thing. One thing in particular.
I said today I don't want anything to seems like a kind of attack or dragging. No.
You're already attacking. You're already doing that. You're doing that already.
No. I don't do that one.
For you to be saying that it's not your inspection that
I don't do that one. I don't promote mine.
You only know your side.
I don't promote
Okay,
mine.
let me tell you something. What if the woman assured you guys that she was acting on you guys' petition and also assured your Fabi on the same thing? Then she's claiming of you.
Then hold on. Then you should. If you ask that one,
then what now you should be doing? What now you should do?
If you can think in that direction, Papariano, if you can think intelligently like that, if you can think intelligently like that, I think you should remain in the middle then. You can challenge the underground to give you calm down. You can challenge the underground that, okay, bring out your petition, let's see it. You understand? You can easily do that. It is 100% okay. Bring out your petition, let's view it. Which documents you have that is legit, bring it, let's see it. You understand? You can do that. But for you to think in this direction, which is very, very mature, you don't need to pick side. Remain in the middle, Papariano. Just remain in the middle.
Let me check something downstairs, Master Lord. Give me 2 minutes.
No, báwo máa ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ kí mo fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀.
Yeah, gbogbo kí tó ń wò mí gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ justice for Mohbad ẹ wo bọ́rọ̀ ṣe ń bẹ́yìn yọ lójoojúmọ́ ẹ tún wo ibi tọ́rọ̀ tún gbà yọ ẹ jọ kí ni nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí justice yìí gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ justice kí ni nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí justice ṣé torí wípé wọn sáfẹ́ kárí justice fún Mohbad òun náà ni gbogbo àtakò lọ́tún àtakò lọ́sìn ló ṣe wá pọ̀ báyìí well all well and good mo kí tó ń wò mí mo bẹ̀yìn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí information tí mo tún sáré rí tí mo tún ní kí n wá fún yín nìyẹn ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kí ẹ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fi ọkàn yẹn hàn lábẹ́ comment section kí lẹ́yìn náà rí sí kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ tẹ like mo tún padà bọ̀ bí mo ṣe máa mú wá fún yín nìyẹn gbogbo information tí n bá ti rí mi ò ní fi dá yín lágara mo tún padà bọ̀ ire o.